You guys already seen the thumbnail, so you already know what this video is about. And without further ado, I know we got a package delivered today. And a matter of fact, I think Jeff is out there grabbing it off of the front porch and bringing it into the barn as we speak. So we'll see him as soon as he gets it. And there he is. Frick yeah, dude! That's a big package, dude. Jeff, you have a big package. What is in that package? Oh my God. Dude, just look at the tape on it. It just tells you everything you need to know. I mean, do you even need to say anything? Let me see that. Huh? Yeah. When you got your... You ain't lying, dude. Oh my God. Guys, I'm not even going to waste time. Just marvel at the amazement. And what's even more amazing is what's inside. And I can't wait any longer because, I mean, this is a freaking epic moment for Lulu's Off-Road. We've all talked about what shock therapy, can do for your suspension, the improvements it can make for your rides. You guys have watched all their shows on YouTube, which are phenomenal. I love watching them. I don't know. Do you guys keep track on shock therapy? They're little like Thursday freaking Tech Tuesdays and all that stuff. It's awesome. I'm enjoying it, the heck out of it. But anyways, like you guys know, we had Risky Business here, which was Aiden's originally, and then a little punk got himself another one. You guys had more razors than me. And anyways, Jeff, you guys know Jeff. He picked up the freaking Risky Business.
Now the box.
More importantly, let's get back to this. How excited are you, dude?
Dude, I'm so pumped.
Huh?
I've been waiting on this for like a month and a half.
Oh my gosh.
Hi guys.
Hi, buddy. If you guys are thinking about shock therapy and you want to do it, I mean, do it. You guys have seen the videos, but what I wanted to lead into here is that give them a call because they are so good at what they do. There is a waiting list. We called, what was it, 3 weeks? Approximately 3 weeks, 4 weeks out before our appointment was. So give them guys a call. Woo! Dude, just look at them. Oh, smokes.
That's sexy.
They just go hard. Oh, I don't even know what to tell you. Oh, dude, look at that. That was our appointment date right there, 9:15.
This is awesome.
What'd we call it? Is that when we called them?
No, that's when they got them in.
Oh, okay.
We shipped them ahead of time, but it was.
That's right.
It was like a month.
Yeah. So rear pass. Say so. Look at when you get them, they're all going to be tagged on exactly which area, which sections you're going to bolt them back onto. But look at the springs, dude. Serious. And these are not only the spring kit, but this has the complete internals done. So you've got brand new springs. It's going to keep your ride height where it needs to be. And plus you also have all the internals done that are going to make this ride so much better than what the factory could do. I mean, super, super awesome, super exciting. I can't wait to get them on.
Yeah. The original plan was just to do the outsides. I watched the videos and said, you know what?
Yeah, we were just going to do the spring kit, right?
Yeah.
Or no, we were just going to do the internals. We weren't going to do the spring kit.
Yep.
That's right. And I think I even caught a little flack from homeboy on the phone. He was like, what, you're not doing the spring kit? And I said, well, yeah, we are. So here we are.
Buy once, cry once.
That's right. Oh, I like that saying. I live by it. Buy once, cry once. So anyways, we're going to get these bad boys on.
They're beefy.
They look good. They look so much better than the stockers. But we're going to get these things on, and we're going to get her done. So you boys ready to freaking get the wrenches out or what? Aiden, I think you should put the first shock on. Huh? Maybe? I don't know.
We have hours dedicated to this one.
Dude, I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. They look so good. They're so awesome. Hey, guess what? I bet it doesn't freaking clank and bang anymore in the front end. Huh?
What would you do?
What would I do? Oh, I don't know. Jeff's probably going to say I'm not buying it anymore. Yeah, say, it's not going to happen though, is it? Because this is Shock Therapy, the best suspension tuning company in the world. Is that right, Abel? Tell him.
Number one. Hold up, number one.
Tell him.
I think we should all do that.
Say, what's Shock Therapy?
Number one.
That's right. That is right. We're teaching them right. We're teaching them right. So, anyways, no messing around. No more messing around. We're going to get to work. All right. I don't know. I might set this up, speed through this installation, and we'll show you guys when it's done. Oh, wait a minute. First, Before we even get going, I feel like I need some. Abel, bring me that thing you just had. That little slap wrist freaking koozie, dude. Oh, Jeff, I'm gonna need yours too.
Why?
Oh, dude, I need the power. I gotta have the power.
Here, Dad.
I mean, I might be old guy. You guys might not even know this, but you ever heard of Conan the Barbarian? Dude, this is like Conan the freaking suspension master.
Conan the
Dude, let me
suspension
have
man.
that one over there.
Conan the suspension man.
Conan the suspension man. He's like Crom. You know what I'm talking about?
Take a picture.
We're doing a video right now, buddy.
What an exciting time. So we got all 4 shocks on, looking as good as you could ever want. We're gonna check our ride height, do some adjustments if we have to. But if you wanna get in, let's scrub this thing out.
There it goes.
Slam on the, you wanna slam on the gun backwards, slam on the, you got like 5 feet. Brakes, forward, brakes, back. Woo, don't do that, don't do that. What? You blow something off the rear end? Back road, stop it. Alright, that was good.
It moved.
Oh yeah, it's scrubbed out. So, make sure she's in gear before you freaking drop the hammer.
The moment of truth.
Oh, dude. So, the sound that we've been trying to get rid of this whole time. Woo, it's a good sound.
You gotta shake it.
Let me do it, dude. Let me give her the power.
Oh,
He's a man.
It ain't banging anymore. It's not banging, so. Those are. Bo, what is going on with you today, man? I ain't leaving you. What are you freaking out for, man?
all right.
Jeez.
Measure the.
All right, so give me a tape measure. Let's measure the ride height here. Go, get. So, what is it, 12 and a half?
Yeah.
Dude, it is spot on 12 and a half. So the rear should be what, 12? You guys check that?
I didn't check to see.
Should tell you front and rear.
It's 12 and a half, 12. 13?
No, it just says ground clearance 12 and a half, didn't say front and back. That was right on Razor's site.
Hold on. Let me scroll drive it over. Let me see. Pretty high back there.
There it dropped.
I think I didn't hit the brakes hard enough.
Let me get after
Going
it.
back.
Did you see it drop down?
Yeah.
You could see it.
I'm gonna check the front again real fast. Bubba.
Still 12 and a half.
So we're at 14 3/4 here. So we'll have to do some adjustments. So not a big deal, man. We're gonna freaking go ahead and adjust this stuff and get it to exactly where it needs to be. And then we'll be right back and we'll show you where it's at. And then I guess the next time you see us, we'll be doing some ripping. Well, let's just snap to that and we'll see you there. Jeff, you gonna freaking get her done or what?
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna try out this shock therapy suspension you got here.
Loving it.
How's it been so far?
Oh, it's been awesome.
It's been smooth?
Oh, yeah.
Super smooth. Shoot. Heck, man, you get done ripping a little bit. I might want to just roll this thing for a little bit.
Definitely.
Check it out.
You know how the 900 runs.
Hell
out,
yeah.
So.
Let's go for it, man. He's loving this, you know it? He's loving it, man. He's not letting anything hold him back. He could do that all day. Oh shit! Dude, that was close. Oh, that was close. You were freaking riding a rail right there. I ain't even kidding. Didn't you feel that?
Oh yeah, I definitely felt it. Figured if I was gonna test out how fast I could turn, better on flatland, right?
That was freaking gnarly. Oh man, pushing it to the limits. This suspension holds up killer, don't it?
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think you can do much better than shock therapy, man. Them guys, they got it going on.
A little bit later.
Razor 900, shock therapy, suspension, freaking. See what you've been raving all about, bud. Try to keep it on 4 wheels, man.
What?
It doesn't even seem possible. I'm not even joking around about this. It's incredible. It's incredible. You're like so dialed down when you talk about it. Like, oh my god. Dude, you gotta rip this thing. It's out of control. It's as smooth as freaking Dynamics. I'm seriously, there's a couple hits. I was like, ooh, maybe I shouldn't be doing that in Jeff's Razor.
Yeah.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
It's pretty insane.
Whoa. Dude. It's not a gimmick, dude. It's what it's all about, dude.
You want to take it for a spin, Jeremy?
I believe you. Dude, you should check this thing out. It's a riot. Dude, this freaking the weight, it seems so, I mean, you can do whatever you want with this thing. It's crazy.
Right.
It's amazing.
That's definitely made it a lot easier, I think.
Dude, like you see me fly through that field?
Yeah.
So you know how the trail goes like this and then it cuts and goes dips and it
Yeah.
comes back up the hill? Well, at the other side of it, just kind of falls off. And I come in hot, dude, around those guys. And I freaking hit the brakes. And then I just hit the gas, dude, and freaking literally power slid into that freaking pocket and bounced right out of that thing. It was crazy. Did it look crazy?
Yeah, it looked like you were having a lot of fun.
I was having a lot of fun. It just, man, this shit just makes you feel like a kid, man.
I could do this every day. No problem.
Every day, all day. I'm serious, man. This is incredible. Oh, Jeff, this is it runs good, dude. It's powerful. Oh, your brakes are serious.
Yeah, aren't they?
Oh, dude, you brake on that thing, dude. It's like nothing like this. This is instant. I don't know if that's the weight.
I was just gonna ask that.
My pads are wearing down, but
I've got a lot less weight on there, so I was
yeah,
wondering if maybe that's
might
what
have
it
a lot
is.
to do with it. 'Cause I was like, it just like surprised me how fast I could brake in this. Unbelievable. This is awesome, dude. Thanks for the ride, man.
No problem.
Job well done, guys.
We could do that while
Nice. Where'd Aiden go, dude?
inside there.
Oh, he went to bed, didn't he? Getting ready for the big party tomorrow. There's something special about this. There's definitely something special about this. I don't know, man. It's getting me a little excited, dude. This is awesome. Jeff, you got a badass unit right here, dude, and it is on some really, really badass suspension. And that was just a little 10-minute rip, dude. That was nothing. I mean, it's nothing. I'm getting all excited, and we didn't even do nothing. But I just have a feeling of what it's going to be. So, I don't know. I'm pretty pumped. It is plush. It is very plush. All right. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sticking with us. Thanks for watching the videos, and thanks everybody for commenting and talking back and forth. We appreciate it. We love it. and we love you guys. So stay good, having fun out there, be safe on the trails, and hopefully one day maybe we'll run into you guys. Let's cut this thing out, dude. We got a pig to cook, so tell him, Jeff.
All right, take it easy, guys. We'll talk to you guys again real soon.
That's right. Jeremy, you got anything to say? Words of wisdom?
Tired the pig.
Huh?
I'm tired.
Dude, why
Drink
you
beer.
tired? Drink beer. Tired? Drink beer. All right, that's it, guys. We'll see you soon.